Do you ever wish your pool can clean itself while you're outside chilling on the poolside with an ice cold drink? Well, your wish just came true. Introducing Beatbot's new product line of this year, the AquaSense 2 Pro and the AquaSense 2 Ultra. These are a 5-in-1 robotic pool cleaners that add another layer of convenience to your smart home life. So what's inside the box of the Pro and the Ultra? You get the robotic cleaner itself, the charging dock, a hook, a quick start guide, and the manual. Installation is real simple. On the Ultra model, you install the side brush on both sides, and then installing the clarifying kit, you remove the top and remove the aluminum film. And as for the charging station, you want to install the brackets on the back. Now let's talk about features. Traditional pool robots often operate blindly, struggling to clean irregular pool shapes, missing spots, frequently getting stuck, and lacking debris detection. The AquaSense 2 Ultra addresses these challenges. It uses something called HyperSense AI pool mapping, which means it doesn't just clean, it thinks. It maps the entire pool using a combination of the front-facing AI camera, infrared sensors, and the ultrasonic sensors, adapting its cleaning paths for precise navigation, full coverage, and maximum efficiency, reducing overlaps on the floor and surface, S-pattern, wall, and waterline end pattern. This is exclusive to the Ultra model. The AquaSense 2 Ultra has 27 sensors, which offers unparalleled environmental awareness, detecting debris and platform heights with ease, while the AquaSense 2 Pro has 22 sensors, which is far more better than the other robotic pool cleaners in the market. This still provides full coverage, assuring every part of the pool is clean from the surface to the floor. And oh yes, the AquaSense 2 Ultra has AI. Introducing the advanced AI cruise debris detection, utilizing the ultrasonic sensors, the infrared sensors, and the advanced AI camera technology. All of that to scan and identify debris, assuring there's no debris left behind in your pool. Now keep in mind, both the HyperSense AI pool mapping and the advanced AI cruise debris detection are both exclusive to the AquaSense 2 Ultra model. Both the 2 Pro and the 2 Ultra feature a 5-in-1 robotic pool cleaner system, which cleans the surface, the waterline, the floor, walls, and it even has a water clarification. Clear water clarification system automatically releases natural clarifiers, eliminating the need for multiple tools and reducing maintenance efforts and costs. This is an exclusive industry first feature available only from Beatbot. It's ready to use with no mixing or dilution required. The automatic dispenser assures convenience with a kit that lasts up to a month. It's also eco-friendly, skin safe, effortless, and hassle-free. Both available on the AquaSense 2 Pro and the AquaSense 2 Ultra. Now I want to talk about adaptive path planning for multi-level platforms. Traditional robotic pool cleaners, including previous AquaSense models, could not detect or even clean higher platforms, leaving parts of your pool uncleaned. Now the AquaSense 2 Ultra solves this issue by automatically detecting but also independently cleaning the entire platform, using the 2 bottom ultrasonic sensors to detect the platform edges and prevent the robot from falling. So the robot can efficiently and independently clean the entire platform, making it ideal for complex pools. Although the AquaSense 2 Pro model doesn't have this automatic detection capabilities, it can still clean multiple platform levels by manually selecting the multiple zone function in the Beatbot app. So the platform can be cleaned, but not as efficiently, independently, and automatically like the Ultra model. Once either the AquaSense 2 Pro or Ultra finish its cleaning cycle, or when the battery drops below 12%, the robot automatically returns to its water surface and release water to float. It parks above the surface, conveniently near the water edge, allowing for easy retrieval. This innovative feature eliminates the need to lift a heavy water-filled robot from the pool floor, saving time and effort. Now, like I mentioned, you can download the Beatbot app to customize mode, view cleaning history, and even remote control the robot itself, providing complete transparency of the cleaning process. However, the Ultra can successfully map even complex pools with curved transitions between the floor and the wall. The Pro model will only be able to map simple pool layouts and not curved bottom pools. Now, if you want a solid performer, don't overthink it. The AquaSense 2 Pro is your go-to. It's still a 5-in-1 cleaner. It cleans the floor, the wall, the waterline, surface, and it has the water clarity. But optimized for everyday ease, it efficiently handles diverse maintenance tasks with convenience and reliability. But the pool owners who value cutting-edge technology and demand professional-grade precision for maintaining large and complex pools with ease, the Ultra model is highly recommended. Both models are cordless, top-loading filters. It has the clear water system, the clever smart navigation, and it has the same 13,400 milliamp battery, lasting up to 10 hours on the Ultra model and 11 hours on the Pro model. But keep in mind, this is for the water surface cleaning only. Floors and the wall are 5 hours. The Pro model is up to 11 hours and the Ultra is up to 10 hours. And that is on the water surface, but the difference is very minimal. The pool is absolutely clean. The bottom did a really good job cleaning the bottom of the pool. Really impressed by that. And even the sides too. The side of the pool is really good. And even the surface, like everything about the pool is just clean to the brim. Like, I know this is a sponsored video, but this is pretty good. Unfortunately, I live in New York, so if you live somewhere where it's nice all season long, like here in sunny Florida, you may want to consider this. Click the link and code in the description box down below. After just one run, my pool went from to a magazine ready, and I didn't even have to break a sweat. So which model do you prefer? The Ultra with the automatic multi-level detection or the Pro with its manual zone selection? Let me know down in the comments down below.